Okay, so this security guard was definitely on a power trip. He accuses a woman of stealing because other people, namely specifically the store manager, thinks he saw her do so on camera. Now, maybe he's right and our main character is just going to the moon lying for this bit demeanor. He's very smug and has a lot of energy, but can't seem to decide what lawful orders she's supposed to be following. First, he tells her he's going to call the police, for instance, and then when she says, okay, call them, he says, I don't have to.
This guy thinks I'm stealing.
You got items on you and I need those items back. If you do not give me those items back, you're going to be detained and you're going to go to jail.
Don't touch me.
They seen you on camera.
See me on camera doing what?
I have a job to do. It's not personal.
It is personal because you're accusing me of stealing.
They watch you on camera.
Watch me on
camera. They watch you on camera.
Bring up the footage. Then.
They're telling me right now that you have items on you.
Bring up the footage.
They're telling me right now you have the items.
Bring up the footage, please.
So here's the deal, okay? I'm gonna work with you, okay? If you
There's
give me
no
the items,
working.
this is it. This is your only chance. This is your only chance.
I'm literally okay. Let's go talk to the guy then. Don't tell me what to do. Who are you? Look at these people accusing me of stealing from CVS. I came here to get one prescription.
You're gonna get detained.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about. What are you talking about?
Okay.
So who here called the police on me? Because apparently... Okay, so
they're saying you have items on you and I have to check you.
What items? I'm here literally for my prescription.
Here's what I need, okay? We can make a big deal if you want to.
Make it a big deal.
For the camera.
It's either you're calling the police...
No, ma'am. That's not how it works. You don't get to make the rules. You don't dictate what happens here, okay? So here's what's going to happen, okay?
Whatever.
You're going to show me that you have nothing in your pocket.
I'm not showing you shit because I don't have anything.
Then you're going to get detained.
I literally got off from work from Amazon.
And that's just how it works.
You're accusing me.
Listen, I'm not accusing you. They're accusing you, and I have a job to do.
Who's they?
My management, my superiors,
Bring
store
them down
manager.
here
Listen.
then. Show me the footage that you guys have.
Okay, here's what you need to do.
I literally came in here for my prescription.
Here are your choices.
And you guys are accusing me of
choices.
stealing.
Here are your choices. You need to show me that there's nothing in your pockets because they're saying that there's stuff in your pockets. Stop walking away. Stop walking away.
Or what?
You're going to get detained and you're going to go to the ground.
And you're going to get sued.
I got a job to do. Listen.
I also have a job to do.
Listen.
Which includes leaving
I need my items back. Listen, I need my items back.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
Then show me what's in your pockets.
My wallet?
No, I don't care about your wallet. They just care about the items that you took and that you put into the pockets.
What items?
Clarify.
Like
You're saying you didn't. You're saying you didn't. So let me give you the benefit of the doubt. So clarify, right? I'm just going to look. You go ahead and you open it up yourself.
I'm not clarifying anything for you.
Yeah, you have to.
No, I don't.
That's how it works. You don't get to make up the rules. That's not how it works.
It sounds like you're making up rules.
Nope, that's not how it works.
Yeah, because now,
when they say that
when they say
that you have items on you that you did not pay for, it's my job to check you. And so at this point, I'm giving you the option to show me what you got.
No,
otherwise,
honestly,
no, it's okay.
I suggest you get your manager.
It's okay. Otherwise, I will detain you, and the police will come and
no,
they'll check. And if they find items on you, then
actually,
I
I'll
hope you
sit here
understand.
and
At that point, you're gonna really go to jail.
No, I hope so.
So I'm really trying to work with you, and I'm giving you a chance.
Work.
I'm giving you every single option to do the right thing.
Call them, please.
I'm giving you every option to do
Here,
the right
I'll
thing.
sit down while you call them.
Nope. Nope. You have to.
I'll sit down.
Nope.
My car is parked. I'll be fine. Call the police, please.
That's not how it works.
Call the police. Isn't that what you just said?
I need you to show me that the items are not in your pocket.
Call the police.
Nope, you don't have to.
Oh, so you don't have to. You're just going to sit here and
that item
harass
right there,
me.
what is that right there?
None of your business.
I'm looking right at it. I'm looking right at it. That's called probable cause.
Huh?
I'm looking right at it.
Okay,
they're saying that you have my items. Yeah. You can pull this Karen card all you want to. It's not going to save you in the long run.
What are you talking about?
The truth is you have items that belong to us that you did not pay for.
What?
They're saying that you.
So you're accusing me of not having money.
Absolutely. They're telling me that you did not pay for those items. I'm telling you that I need my money.
I just got off work.
I need my items
back. And they think because I'm dressed like this.
No, it has nothing to do with the way you're dressed.
That I'm dressed with a big puffy coat.
On camera, taking items that she did not pay for. You're a thief. You're a thief. You're stealing things that did not belong to you. That's how it works out, okay?
Okay.
So at this point, you're trespassed. Do not come back. Go.
I'm waiting for you to call the police.
You're free to go. Do not come back. You're trespassing. You cannot come back.
No, I'm waiting for you to call
the store manager says they do not want you to come back.
Call the store manager.
It's all right. That's why I'm here.
So you guys are accusing me, a black woman, of stealing.
Black, white doesn't make any difference.
It apparently does, because apparently the way I dress,
absolutely nothing to do with any kind of race, creed, or anything at all. I came down here to get my prescription,
and then all of a sudden I'm trying to leave. He says I can't leave.
You need to leave the store.
And now I'm supposed to call the police.
You're trespassing.
Didn't you say you were going to put me in handcuffs?
So here's what's going to happen. If you do not leave after I already told you that you've been trespassed, you're going to be criminally trespassed. That means you're going to have a court date and you're going to go to jail. Trespassing is a very serious
I asked you to call the police. Can you call the police?
You're being trespassed from the store.
Can you call the
police?
police?
You need to leave the store. So you're not going to leave even though you're trespassing. I just need to be sure for clarification.
Can you call the police?
You need to leave.
TikTok user AB Danku recorded an egregious social faux pas being performed by a member of their own dinner party. This woman who ordered half the menu then demands that everyone at the table split the check evenly. The guests who didn't order much did not agree.
$325, so they put it all together. Yeah, they put it all together. I hate when they put it together. What you mean you hate when they put it together? Because I don't like that. Well, why you didn't ask for something deal? I would say, well, I'm the head after appetizer. So that's $54 each. Oh no, baby, I'm not paying no $54. Yeah.
I ain't getting no drink. I only got water.
Like we all came out together, like yeah, but you ordered the fire. It don't matter that I ordered the most of the stuff. The point is, I only had a pineapple. Girl, stop. You should have been ordering all this stuff. It don't even matter. We all here together. It don't matter. Mine should be separate. Well, they don't do separate bills, so with that being said, we just gotta split. They can separate them. She said they don't separate bills. She just said you $20. There's no way I'm paying that much money for a pineapple. I can't have no more two friends. Cause y'all, I'm telling you, y'all be ordering 3 entrees. It don't matter if I order 3 entrees. You have to get some food for the kids. I think let me see that bill balance again. No, when you come out to food for people, let me see that bill. When you come out to food for people, we separate the bill. Now, you want to pay for your bill. We're not paying for your bill. We split the bill even. Well, let me see. That's not going to happen. We're not doing that. No, we're not. We're not. That means you're not paying here like you was balling, ordering all these different stuff. Pay for it. I ordered appetizer. This is what I'm paying for. And I got a water that I didn't even drink. I'm not paying for this.
And if that wasn't a ridiculous enough thing to do, she then gets up, says, "I'm not paying the bill," and leaves. This seems like a fairly effective way to protest, so this guy felt screwed over by a used car company, which is why I don't doubt his story, and decides to take matters into his own hands. This certainly is going to cost them some business, so perhaps this is actually a fairly clever way to go about it.
You cost me money, I cost you money.
What happened? Tell me.
A lot. They said f me, so f y'all. So
They report me, no, you don't tell me.
this the general manager.
Who is this?
The general manager works here.
Inside here?
Yep.
No. You must come into my routine.
No.
What happened yesterday?
$500 in tolls. $5,000 in repairs. Car cut off less than an hour after I got it. I'm done talking. Thank you.
Get out of face and go somewhere else.
If you need anything, I can help you.
Huh?
If you need anything, I can help you.
No, I don't want help.
Interesting moral judgment dilemma here. So this woman appears to be rather entitled, for starters, and she decides to just park right in front of this guy's driveway, like completely blocking it, while she waited to pick her kid up from school. But I guess to be petty and make a point, our main character decided to drive the front of his car into the side of hers, and then blame her for the damages. I'd like to see what you think.
I had an emergency. I had to leave. You're blocking my driveway.
Did you damage it?
I don't know. I'm waiting for the sheriff. I need to make the report. You're blocking my driveway. You're blocking the pump.
Do you want to back out and see if...
No, I'm just waiting for the sheriff.
Well,
Why did you park on my driveway?
I just parked for just a second.
Not a second. It's been like 20 minutes already.
It can't be 20 minutes.
Why am I not paying for your car? You're blocking a driveway.
You hit my car.
You're blocking a driveway.
Doesn't matter.
No, you're entitled. You feel entitled. Everybody here around here feels entitled for them to park in front of the street. Look, she's right in the middle of the street. Everybody feels entitled. You're entitled to block my driveway just because you have to pick up your kids? No, right?
These two first.
Are you a body shop? person?
The picture, you can see that this...
Are you a body shop person? Like, how do you know that's not connected with this?
Listen, you hit my car.
Okay, well, just wait for the sheriff to make the report, and then we'll go from there for insurances.
Well, you said you have an emergency. Shouldn't you go?
Why you feel entitled to block my driveway? Why you feel entitled to block my driveway?
I apologize. I didn't. Everybody did it.
Imagine for a moment, if you will, having a dramatic meltdown on a front desk employee like this, and then commanding the customer next to you to hang up their personal phone call so they can call the police for you and your issue.
That's not what I'm talking about. Please get a manager, man. I don't want to talk to you because I want to say it one time, and all three of y'all can look into it because I'm going to say it once before I pass out. Go get the manager or the charge nurse. I'm going to tell you and her at the same time, one time.
I would gladly do that, but before I do that, I need to do one thing.
What do you want?
I want you to mask on. We're going to wait in there.
No, I'm not going back down in that hallway because I just came from out of there. And if I had stayed there, I probably would have died. Go get her.
Then you can sit outside for me to get the manager.
Miss, what's about to happen is a goddamn lawsuit. If you don't stop talking to me and take your ass back there and go get your person.
I'm not getting anybody until you're where you're supposed to be. So once you decide...
I'm where I'm supposed to be right here because y'all left me in the hallway over there to die. I'm not going back in that fucking hallway.
You can wait outside. You have the right to refuse to test.
I bet you better go get me some goddamn medical help. I bet you that.
Back there or outside the safe, I'll gladly get the supervisor, but you can't wait in the...
Yeah, get her. Go get her.
I'm not giving anybody till you're where you are, just so we're clear.
Ma, get off the phone, whoever that is. No, get off the phone. Get off the phone. No, get off the phone. Get ready to call the police and 911. They refusing me medical attention and I'm sick. I ain't doing all that dumb shit.
Our next main character, apparently just meandering around this parking lot, is confronted by a security guard that definitely wishes he was a cop. Sadly, the act seems to have fooled our main character too. He even refers to himself as Sergeant Sanders.
Do you live around here?
Of course I do.
Okay, let me see your ID. So
what did
you say? You live around here. Let me see your ID.
What you need some
I'm
ID?
security around here.
What crime did I commit?
I'm security around
So
here.
what crime did I commit?
You sitting around here with an open container.
What an open container? So where's the open container?
You got your ID?
Where's the open container?
You don't have your ID?
Where's the open container?
Do you have your ID?
Do
you have your ID?
If I had
do you have your ID?
If I commit,
do you have your ID?
If I committed,
I'm asking you, if you don't have your ID,
no. If I committed a crime,
you say you live around here, right? Is that what you're telling me?
If I committed a crime,
you say you live around here, right?
What crime did I commit?
You say you live around here?
What crime I committed?
You say you live around here.
Do it matter?
You told me you said you live around here, right?
Do it matter though?
You got yours on, I got mine on. You said you live around here, right?
Yours ain't even facing.
It is on.
Your shit facing right there.
By tomorrow.
Your shit facing right there.
Your shit. I'm gonna show you something.
Hey, you see I put them in the place. Know your rights now. Yeah, that's all you need right here.
If you're not
that's all you need. Yeah, man. That's all you need to put them in their place. Yeah, man.
Now you're being disorderly.
That's how you put them in their place. Yeah, man. Stop letting them scare you like that. Stop letting. Oh no, I just want y'all to know that.
Before you go now.
Stop letting them scare you like that. All you need is this right here. Yeah, man. What's the badge number? What's this? Watch this. What's your badge number, sir?
What is it?
What's your badge number?
What is it?
Tell me.
It's the one.
Tell me your badge number. What's this? What's this, cuz? What's your badge number? What is your badge? What is your badge number? What is your badge number?
I'm your security.
What am I doing? What is your badge number?
I'm finna ask you one more time.
What is your badge number? What is your? Okay, so you can't tell me your badge number? You not?
You will be
Mr. Sanders.
Sergeant
For
Sanders.
what? For what? For what?
You sitting on here laundering
For what?
with a drinking in public, and if you're not here,
know your rights.
Okay.
Joining today's no-fly list is a woman who apparently didn't even make it to the plane first and found the wrong employee to play with. Guys, airport employees are different. They are not the same as they used to be. They're not playing around. They will not take your crap, and they will put you on a list for talking any kind of reckless.
You better back up. You better back up. You better back up. You better back up. Because I did not disrespect you. Do me a favor. Call the police right now. B16. You will never run up on me. I didn't do anything to you. Call the police. no help. She is not gonna run up on me. She's gonna be escorted out this building. That's what's gonna happen.
Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. We have a horrible episode for you today. You are going to be very pleased. Our first main character is an employee at this gas station / stop and rob, and they find themselves confronted by a random guy for being in cahoots with the man outside that he's very convinced for some reason is homeless. Is this guy okay?
So you're gonna let that man sit out there that's homeless and
What
not
man?
deal with
I don't
him?
see no man out there.
Well,
That's not our
pan to your right.
That's not our property over there. That's another building.
So he walked onto there.
He's a regular
He
customer.
walked on. That's not true. He
He
tried
is a
to
regular
ask me
customer.
for a
Yes,
ride.
he is. I see him every day since
He
I
tried to
saw him.
ask me for. Oh, so you're in cahoots?
Who's
You're
in
okay.
cahoots? We both work together. How are we in cahoots?
No. You're in cahoots with that homeless man?
He's not homeless.
So he's not homeless asking me for a ride?
Just because he doesn't have a car doesn't mean
He
he's
said
homeless.
he
Why are
was
you
homeless.
judging him?
He said he was homeless. I
He
talked
didn't-
to
he
him
didn't
right
tell us
there
that.
on your property.
He didn't tell us that. I'm sorry.
Laura, you're fired.
You have a nice day.
Yeah, you're fired.
You have a nice day.
You're fired.
Have a nice
You're
day.
Send it to
recording.
your boss, because you're about to be fired.
Have a nice
You do
day.
that. Bye.
You're fired.
Have a good day, sir.
Fired.
Have a nice day.
Have a good day.
Fired.
Next woman is enjoying some lunch on the bus, and I frankly don't have much bus experience, but for those who do, is it considered rude normally to eat on a bus? Our main character is bothered because he's fasting for Ramadan, and I guess it smells tempting?
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Sorry?
Yeah, I can smell that. Do you mind eating that somewhere else? I'm fasting.
That's not my concern.
Yeah, but I'm fasting though.
So why are you out?
What do you mean why am I out?
If you're fasting, you should be indoors.
Yeah, but
I'm eating my lunch, and you come and disturb me.
yeah, but I can smell it.
So what? It's food. Of course you're gonna smell it.
Yeah, but can you not just wait until you like get off the
Please,
bus?
don't tell me what to do. You're fasting, stay indoors, and don't come and bother nobody on the bus.
No, but I'm just saying.
I'm eating my lunch.
Yeah, but
What's your problem?
Because you're right next to me and I can
But
smell.
go downstairs.
Yep. Do you think you should have manners and not eat inside the
Go
bus?
downstairs and leave me alone. It's my lunch.
Yeah, but like I said, I'm fasting and I can smell it.
That's your business. Stay indoors.
What do you mean stay indoors? I need to
When
go out
I
and see
fast,
this
I
stuff.
don't go out. Stay
Okay.
indoors, read your Bible, and keep quiet.
Well, first of all, I don't read the Bible. Second, do you know how I feel? You know I haven't eaten since 5 a.m.
Go home. Break your fast early.
No, don't you dare say something like
Break
that.
your fast early.
What do you mean break my fast early? You're still eating. The thing is, it smells.
It's lovely.
Yeah, I'm sure it is, but it's...
You want some? You want some?
Are you being serious?
Yes. I'm happy to
Through this parking
What'd you say right now about my
My
window?
name is Pete Saputo. I'm Vice President of Facilities for Ollie.
So what'd you say through my window right now, though?
I said, do not speed through here, or you might get a brick through your window.
I might or I will?
You will if I see you.
So you're gonna throw a brick at my car?
Yeah.
I don't got a front plate.
Wait.
Don't touch my car.